The topic of this video is how to get your credit limit back once a credit card company lowers it.
What can you do if a credit card company lowers your credit line? Consumers need to make an effort to pay their credit cards on time. One missed payment and a person could lose $1,000 of their credit limit or more. In addition, having large amounts of debt will subject someone to having their credit limit lowered. Credit card companies are looking for safer bets. Here's a tip that works. If your credit limit is lowered, call your credit card company and ask for it back. Don't just talk to the first person on the phone and accept the reason on why your limit was lowered and hang up. Ask to talk to the next person and the next until you talk to the person that can actually overturn the decision. If you have a good payment history with your issuer, it's in their best interest to restore your full credit line. Even if you've missed a payment or you have a high rate of debt on your credit report, banks want to keep customers that can earn them profits. If you are proactive and challenge their decision, there's a good chance this decision can be overturned. Calling the credit card company and disputing the reduction may not work for everyone. Applying for a new credit card can restore the lost credit and in some cases increase your credit line. To learn more about applying for a credit card, visit creditfast.com.